Hi all, today again we have a Makita G Series drill, 18 volts. This is the model. Makita G battery, as you can see, it's G mark compared with the another Makita standard, let's say LTX battery. Okay, so what I have done is Makita G adapter to the Parkside battery. Here I have this smart Parkside battery. Okay, and let's see how it works. Why there is a different sound between these two batteries is that because this is 1.5 amp hour and it can give less amps to the drill, so that's why we have a different sound, and also it will last longer with the 4 amp battery. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. Bye.